Hi beautiful folks, it's again Ashish from Ashish Creation and welcome back. Do you want to learn how to create a LUTs? Or do you want to learn how to create a preset or Lightroom preset or camera preset or mobile Lightroom preset? So in this course I'll be teaching you from the scratch. So guys, this is really a precious course for you if you want to learn really an amazing color grading techniques and also the how I use to create the preset for my photos. In this course I'll be sharing you my personal secret techniques which I am using in my editing game, or how I am creating the preset for you guys just for free. So I'm gonna teaching you this secret, and I guarantee you guys, if you really learn this technique of creating the LUTs as well as the preset, then you can definitely sell them online, and even you can just apply to your photos and make them stand out with a single click. So what are you waiting for guys? Just enroll it now. And guys, don't forget to be creative and be awesome, and follow me on Instagram, just type Ashish Creations. So guys, the very first thing you need to do is just visit the ashicreationcourses.com website. Now just if you want to enroll the course, then just click on the secret of making LUTs and preset course and see the details, and from here you can see or read all the details, what are the things which we're gonna cover up in particular courses, right? So just click on the enroll course now, and it is just around 1500 rupees or 17 to $18 in US dollars. Now just click on the add to cart. You can guys or purchase the course with the help of payment mode would be the PayPal, or else you can just use or pay. If you are an Indian user, then you can just pay via Google Pay, Paytm or Phone Pay, or there are a lot of options available. Now click on the proceed to check out and just fill up all the details which are given up here, right? So you can just fill up all the details and just click on the place order. And guys, here is the important thing: if you are Indian user, just click on the Insta Mojo, so it will show up the the Google Pay option, Phone Pay option, and there are a lot of options, so directly you can pay from there. All right, now just place order, and within 1 or 2 hours you will get the password in the registered email, and you will just access the course with the help of that password. Right guys, so you can also check out my other courses, that is Photoshop course as well as the Lightroom course and Premiere Pro courses we're gonna launch soon. So stay tuned to our website. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial guys.